Well, she smoked a little. Did you see that?
This truck was 31.
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a brand new video. We're super excited today. We are so excited we couldn't contain it. We already got started on this brand new build. It's the first time we're going to have to go back in time a little bit and kind of show you what this truck looked like. Because right now, we got a brand new truck. It's not brand new. We searched and searched and searched, trying to find another Tacoma because we love these trucks. We wanted one that we could fix up, one that we could afford. We found this one. She's a 2013. It's an absolute beauty. It's a beautiful hunter green. Got a little bit of trouble down this side. So let me show you back in time what she looked like when she got here and JP had his shovel shoveling it out. So we told you she's an absolute beauty. It is a beast. We love it. Tacoma beast. We're loving this thing. But we wanted to show you and we want to tell you where we're at and what we saw. It's kind of why we wanted to get everything apart to start with really quick, because we got to get some parts ordered because we're in a big rush to bring y'all the best content that we can bring. So check out here. As you saw when we pulled this truck in, we had some real problems with suspension. You can see that, man, that wheel was going every which way. We thought something was broke, but just the steering knuckle was bent really bad, and then it broke the brake line right here. Probably broke this line too. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and get a brand new steering knuckle, get a brand new brake line. You know, we'll worry about this later, but it broke our end link here. But we got to get the suspension squared away because we got some brand new struts, we got some brand new control arms. You know us, we like to lift this stuff up, so we'll probably put all that stuff in. So we just went ahead and just ripped the fender off, I mean like a caveman on this, and got the fender off and just, you know, we threw it in the floor and we stomped on it. We're having trouble getting the antenna off, and we decided to just take it off in one piece. We're going to get that. We're going to save that if we can. And then there was a whole bunch of damage down this side. So this door right here's took a pretty good lick. This door is kind of okay. Got a little bit of damage back here. Not bad, not bad. We think we can save it. So what we think we're going to do now is maybe show y'all what's going on the inside, because we like to just talk about these things when we get them in. We were just so excited when we got this one, we couldn't contain it, so we just jumped on it and started working. So let's show you what we got on the inside. Alrighty guys, we've been working really hard on this truck. We absolutely love it already. We can't wait to get it all fixed up. So we jumped on it as fast as we could. When I showed it to you a minute ago, I was inside the shop and it may have been a little bit dark, but what we've got here is this apron. You know, this apron's probably gonna have to be replaced, so we're thinking we're gonna have to replace the apron and the radiator support and probably this door. So we'll probably fender, radiator support, door, we'll get all of that stuff done. Get all new stuff, you know, or used stuff, whatever we can find. And then this right here, we're gonna try to fix, from here back, we're gonna try to fix it. Don't know if we can. This bedside is a little bit rough. If we can find one of those, we'll probably get one of those too, but we're gonna try. I mean, the good thing about these is they just unbolt. You can tap, tap, tap them out with a hammer. That works really, really good. We absolutely love the color of this thing. This hunter green. I've never had a truck this color. I absolutely love it. We don't know what kind of wheels we're gonna get for it yet. Maybe some polished aluminum, maybe some black with a little polish. We don't know. I don't know what's gonna look good. If you know what would look good, comment below what you think would look good with this hunter green. So that's enough about the outside. On the bad side, let me show you the outside on the good side. This is the good side. This looks not perfect, but for a 2013, it looks really good. So we got, you know, we got a bumper. I think we've got a bumper. So maybe we won't have to buy that bumper, but we will have to get the grill too. But this side, it probably don't need anything except just cleaning up, maybe polishing up this side, because this side looks really good. The windshield's got a little crack. We're gonna have to put one, you know, gonna have to put a windshield in. Gonna have to blend on the hood a little bit. Nothing major. This side looks good. The steel wheels, nah. Those things have gotta go. The steel wheels have gotta go. They just gotta go. We're not gonna have it. We're gonna get some wheels for it. I mean, these are probably the ugliest ones we've had yet. And we've had some ugly wheels, but these right here are ugly. So we're gonna get some good looking wheels. We're gonna try to find some good looking tires. So the inside of this thing, we do like to keep it real. You saw JP shoveling the bed out. So the inside, it's gonna take a little bit to clean it up. I don't know if we're gonna be puking while we're doing it. It ain't that bad, but we're gonna show you inside of this thing what we got.
All right, so in the back seat here, you can tell there is some stains. We don't know what those are from. Have to take a carpet cleaner and get in there and clean that out. Let's see what we got, see if there's anything in here. We have a Uno card. Let's see what's in this one. Looks like we got a jack. So that's good. Comes with a jack.
At least we got a jack.
That's right. Just some space, you know. Shelf right there is pretty cool. Look right here. Somebody liked to fish. We'll throw that in the tackle box on our 2014 Ranger RT 188. As you can tell, this one is not as clean as some of the other ones we've had. Just some stuff here. We've got some bolts where we've already worked on it today. But let's go ahead and get in here and see if there's any hidden treasure. All right, so we got some stuff from Richmond, Virginia. So that's good. We do like to see if they are window stickers. Most of the time there's not, but sometimes they are. So we got an owner's manual.
Does it say where this one come from originally?
It does not. Oh, look at there.
That is the window sticker.
We found the window sticker.
It should say where it came from and how much it was.
This truck was $31,005. Let's see where it came from. Checkered flag Toyota, Virginia Beach.
Checkered flag Toyota.
That is good. We like to get the window stickers. We're gonna put that back for safekeeping.
That ought to be worth $100. Is that Virginia?
That's all we got in there. Let's see if there's anything else. Nitro hazard.
See what's in there. Must be some kind of extended warranty, maybe. It's a nitro hazard.
Oh, dude.
Free tire rotation. Let's take it up.
Lots of tire rotation.
Let's take it and get them rotated, man. They need it.
They're still good.
Yeah, we're taking it. Where we got to take it?
Have to go to West Virginia. That'd be like $300. Not bad, not bad. What we got in there? Any Oakleys? No, nothing. Nothing in there. Look at there.
That's her fob.
Comes with a fob.
Yeah, I mean, this truck is nice.
It's nice.
4-wheel drive.
Let's see what's in here. Looky there. They shot some shotgun shells. Like their heads. Look at that golf ball, dude. Feel that.
I mean, that's all right. It's a little bit dirty. We'll clean it up.
Get it looking like a new penny.
Alrighty, guys. There she is in all her green glory. She's ready to go. She's ready to hit the frame machine. But we are 100% out of time to hit the frame machine today. So we'll catch you guys tomorrow in the morning on the frame machine. Alrighty, guys, it is next day here. We are here again with this 2013 Toyota Tacoma. We're ready to get started, get it up on the frame machine. Before we do all that, let me show you what we got to take off real quick. So what we got to do first is we got to get all this stuff out of the way over here. Got to get all that out of the way. Then we're going to take the fan shroud, the radiator, and the condenser off. So we're going to get all this stuff out of the way because we are going to be pulling right here pretty hard. So I tell you what, we go ahead and get it in the shop, get it on the frame machine, get this stuff pulled out, start making this thing look like a truck because we absolutely love the color of it. So let's hop to it and let's get it done. Alrighty guys, that's an action-packed video. We usually don't start them off like that, but we're just so excited to get this Hunter Green Tacoma started. We spent a good bit of time up on the frame machine today, getting the radiator support all pulled out, getting the apron, everything pulled out. It's 100% square now. So we got a ton of parts ordered for this thing. I know a lot of y'all thinking, man, this is a 2013 Tacoma, but it's not ready for the scrapyard yet. This thing has got thousands, hundreds of thousands of miles left. But I do think that that's going to be a wrap for today's video, guys. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Real Orange Wires. We always post there before YouTube. And if you like this video and you like the content, drop us a like. Leave us a comment down below. Until next time, we're out.